Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It's getting closer to the end of the month. Halloween is right around the corner. And Santa Claus will be here. And now we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And you can click on that if you like this item. Add it to your cart, check out, they'll ship this to you fast. And if you have some free time, all you gotta do is browse around and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Here we go. Oh boy. Alright. This is coming from Alxum. Whoops. Alexa, cancel. Yeah, there she goes again. This is a 96 watt 10 port USB charging station. Oh boy. Got a lot of USBs, I see. This one, sorry about that. I forgot about this. I'm trying this new tripod out. But it's not too bad. There we go. Alright, we got some good stuff here. 96 watts, smart IC, 2.4A is a max power output, so you could power a lot of stuff. That is for sure. And we go back sides like this. Support 10 phones charging simultaneously. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port, double PD port design. Well, this is a nice one. Adjustable dividers. Whoa. Alright. So you might want to get one of these and give it a try. Or give a friend a gift for this upcoming season. Especially during these crazy times, you know, they might appreciate it. A small little gift, you know, nothing too crazy, but definitely will help them out. Especially with all you college people out there and the way the world's going now, everything is digital. Whoa, here are the dividers. That's crazy. Got some weight to it. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. It's like gunmetal. Got some serious bling to it. Bling bling. That's crazy looking. Futuristic. The plug, and then that thing. Plug it into that. And let's see what else. Oh, tablets. Maybe for something. We'll figure it out. Hopefully, we could get it one shot. That's all I need is one shot, you know? Just like Eminem said. Here we go. Alright. Oops, that is extra garbage. Let's take a look at these dividers. A lot of them in here. Alright. These little dividers you put through. There we go. Get the stacks over there. Put this here. Let's take out this bad boy. Look at that. Lots of USBs. It's definitely in the market because I only have like a 4-port USB extender. Definitely need a bigger one. So this one should do the trick, and plus, like I said, it has the cell phones. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the cell phones just in case, because I have a wireless charging pad and stuff like that. So I'll set a little bit of these up. Just got to slide it into the grooves. Make sure it's lock it down, kind of like that. You can have another divider up. So this is cool if you got a big family. You know, you could keep it separated, the phones. Know which one's yours and which one's theirs. Especially these days, man. Sometimes you need at least 2 phones, it seems like. Or a phone, tablet type deal, or iPad, or you can put iPads on this, I do believe. Tablets. So it's really easy. You can space it out. In case you got a larger phone like the Mega. I need to upgrade my phone, so I don't know which phone I'm going to get yet, but definitely have to upgrade this month. And, I'll just this is easy to do. I'm sure they're nice and tucked in. But like I said, I'm probably not going to use the dividers. So I'm probably going to have this put somewhere different. But definitely it's a good idea to have these things here. So might as well install it for you guys. Here's a larger. Oh yeah, these are larger ones. I think this is for more like the bigger phones. Tablets and whatnot. So you can mix and match, you know. A couple here, a couple there. I'm not going to use them all, I don't think. Okay. And then... I know I got plenty of tablets around, so... 1, 2, 3... About 3 or 4. And then 2 cell phones now. And then iPad or iPod. So here we go. You know, this is one example of you can have it. But you can spread them out more. Like I said, it depends on your preference. But really cool though with the USB ports. We're going to plug this thing in. And this one got like a swivel, or maybe you could run the cords through it. I might have to move one of these. Right there. Stay there. There we go. Now we take a look. It's crooked. I know it looks crooked, but that's the way it's supposed to be. So you just got to run the cords through, the power cords and whatnot. Speaking of power cords, time to get this big guy out. Let me grab this twisty tie. Gotta love twisties. Almost there, guys. 2 more seconds. There we go. Lift off. Just gotta plug it in. Right over here. Slide right there. Here we go. Another power cord. More twist ties. I love these twist ties. I like twist ties better than those popcorn box stuffers, whatever you want to call them. Kind of like bubble wrap, but they're a pain. Alright, I'm going to plug her in. Oh, okay, so double blue light. Alright. That's really cool. So there's main power. And there's the little guys for like iPhones, iPads. You use those. And then those are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So, really cool, guys. Definitely want to check them out. Like I said, I'll have my Amazon link down below. And, yeah, definitely check out Alxum, I do believe. But like I said, I don't know what to put in here right now. I'm using my phone to record, and pretty much that's it though. I mean, easy to install, and you got extra USBs. It's always a good bonus. And then you got your stuff for your iPad, iPhone, iPod, MacBook. So, a lot of good things this thing is for. It's not too bulky. I mean, there's a good spot. You could definitely find a spot for it. And then, yeah, definitely check them out. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. A lot of good computer accessories. So definitely don't be shy. Click the link down below. You guys have a good night, good morning. Be safe out there. See you guys soon. Till next time. Later.